guys, hello everybody, hello. How is everybody today? I'm fine, and you? Fine, thank you. So I just thought I would do like a little get ready with me. I'm going out to see my friends. I haven't seen them since last year, so I'm gonna do something really simple because this is literally like my everyday hanging out 2 p.m. type of look. So I'm gonna just take some concealer. That's the e.l.f. one, the e.l.f. camo. I literally feel like I've been deprived from the outside world. I'm just so excited. I haven't had a chance to meet any of my friends yet because I've had to go back to work. So it's a bit of an awkward time and situation. But it's okay. Not a problem. I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Heel palette. So I'm gonna take this one here. I'm taking this Morphe no name brush, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer rim of my eye, just like this. I'm supposed to be going out literally like for half an hour, and I'm only doing my makeup now. I literally am known for being late for everything. I can't help it. I'm just literally, my friends, every single time we meet up, they fake a time for me. So they'll be like, oh yeah, okay, Lou, meet at 6, and then they know I'll turn up at 7, but then really they really made the start time at 7, but they just told me it was 6 because they knew I'll be late. It's funny because I actually hate being late. I don't understand. I just procrastinate getting ready. I literally take my sweet time. I'm not gonna break my back. And then I'm gonna just build it just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna go for this color here. I'm gonna place it here just by the corner of my eye on the edge here because I want to add dimension.
Dimension.
I'm just using the same brush, like I'm just building the color. Onwards, I haven't shut my window for I don't know how long, okay? So literally as soon as I woke up to this, I'm like, what is that noise? So I thought it was a fly, like a big fly coming from the room, and there was a fat wasp flew through my window and started flying at me in my bed. I went sprinted all the way down the passage. I'm happy with that. So then what I'm gonna just do is I'm gonna take this nude shade here. I'm just take my finger. I'm just gonna place it at the bottom of my eye here. Just feels like a soft color. Like so, the eyes are donesies. This is literally like gonna be the fastest look ever. I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe cream to prime my skin. So yeah, me and my friends would chill in her garden. Me and my pals. Get some snacks, get some bevs, have a little banter. Always have a little banter together. Find out what's the latest deeds going on in the world. The drama. I'm gonna use this Smashbox Oil and Shine Control. I've never used it before, because I get quite an oily T-zone. So I've put the strobe cream all over my skin just so I can have like a nice glow. And then I'm gonna just put the Shine Control right here in my T-zone. It's actually quite nice. Like, it's mattified it, but it's not like dried my skin to the point. Because sometimes when I put mattifying primers, it literally makes my skin flake a bit because it's so drying. Like, okay, so what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use this Georgio Armani Luminous Silk. I'm gonna just use this brush. So it's like a Morphe, there's no name on it. But you know what, they do have one. I got this in a set. So this is literally identical to the M6 brush. This one just came in a set, so it has like a rose gold handle. But they have one, I think it's the M6. Ooh. I don't want a heavy foundation. For my day-to-day, I don't like full coverage. I like my foundation to be light to medium. I like my freckles to show a bit, you know? Is your love enough? Oopsie, I'm singing. I'm putting literally like the smallest amount over my nose. I want the skin still to shine through a bit. I'm gonna just make sure I get the bits here where I'm a bit red. Do you guys ever do that? You like probably give yourself a little double chin so you can just see it's all blended together. Always do that. It's not cute, but you gotta do what you gotta do so you get that clean blend together. So I put little at a time because I like to build, so wherever I want more foundation, I can put more. I haven't used this brush in so long, I miss it. This used to be literally my go-to every day. And then I stopped. Why did I stop? Okay, so what I'm gonna use next, I'm gonna take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna use the shade Light Medium Sand. Let's hope it fits me. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna use this PC18 brush Peaches and Cream. Make sure I'm just gonna blend this out. Just want to be light on the eyes. Super light and airy. I don't know what goes to my brain, seriously. Sometimes I say things, I'm like, what the hell? Okay, so now that I've finished doing that, I'm gonna take my Mercier. Laura! Why don't you? I don't know what the words are. Whenever a word comes to my head, it like triggers a song in my brain that is from the word that's in that song. Like, do you ever do that? I'm gonna just hit my under eyes. I don't know if my foundation is gelling well with that strobe cream. I've never combined them together. But anyways, I'm gonna just set the rest of my foundation. What a Sneedle powder puff. He's so cute. It's purple. Working up a purple. Oh, it's soft. I'm gonna just set the rest of my skin really lightly. It's really weird, isn't it? I prefer to just set everything straight away, and then my natural oils and everything else will just melt together nicely afterwards. I prefer to just do that, so that way it lasts longer as well. Let's just get some bronzer. Bronzing. I'm gonna use my mineralized powders, as I do every day. I feel like I should do it like a drugstore tutorial. I don't really use drugstore products, but I feel like not everyone can afford high-end makeup all the time, you know? I want to make myself super bronzy onesie. They're gonna be like, where you been? Oh, I'm going to eat. Okay, let's put some blush. Some blush. So I've been using this one recently. Should I use a pink one or a peachy one? I think I should use a more pink blush. Let's go for something pink. I really want to get the highlighter palette and the contour palettes of these Scott Mars palettes because they're so good. I'm obsessed with that. Should I use a different blush to this? I'm gonna use this Nars one. This one has like a cute little pink shimmer to it. Did I tell you what brush I used for my bronzer? It was the Morphe E4 brush. I use it every time. If you watch my videos, you know. You know. Looks like a really nice gold shimmer. I'm actually going ham on this blush. It's got such a cute little gold reflex to it. Can I stop? I'm going a bit overboard. And then I'm gonna just clean up the sides. I don't know if I like this puff. I'm not gonna bake this on my face for very long. I'm just putting it there to clean up any mess. I'm being messaged. Where are you? I'm still doing my makeup. Sorry. Okay, just do my brows quickly. I'm taking my Benefit Precisely My Brow. Dunsies, some brow gel. If I've forgotten to say any products that I've used, I'll always put them down in the description box below. So I got you. Don't worry. My brain's a bit scatty sometimes, so I lose concentration of what I'm saying. And then I think I said something even though I ain't said it. I'm gonna just take this Urban Decay Beach Bronzer and I'm just gonna lightly put it on my nose like this. It's like a mini contour. I'm not using highlighter because the blusher I've used already has like a little bit of a gold shimmer in it. Probably can't see in the camera, but that's what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this shade and that shade, the same ones I used in the beginning, just for underneath my eyes. I'm just using a smudge brush, a small smudge brush. Come on, baby, baby. Don't you just hate that? Like, you have this thing where you're like, I love singing. Why was I not blessed with a Beyonce voice? I don't understand. I would have made it in life. I'm gonna just take this Sigma E36 brush just to blend out any of the shadow on the edges. Fabulous. And I'm not putting on lashes today. I'm literally gonna put some mascara on. When I'm out and about, just in the day with my friends, I'd like to be way down with the lashes, you know? Like, sometimes I feel lashes, like, it makes me feel super glam, and you just want to be chilling and thinking, why am I chilling with this thing on my eyes? That will do. Let me just brush this powder off. Oops. Oh. So cute. And then I just want to spray my face. I'm gonna just use this Fix Plus so I can just have like a little smashing. So I'm gonna just finish it off with this Huda Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Third Date. Okay, I finished. And this is the final makeup look. It looks super glam, but it's really light coverage. It's fabulous. And then I'm gonna put some shades on my head and I'm off. So yeah, got a skirt, my shades on. And this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Have a fabulous day, boys and girls, and I'll see you in my next video.